Ready.
Hi Rainbows! Welcome back to my channel, Bhumika's Universe. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you all the shopping we did in Ikea. Guys, you can see all these plants that's surrounding me. We have also got these plants from Ikea. But today I'm not going to tell you everything about these plants. I'm going to tell you in the upcoming videos. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon so that you don't miss the video. So now, let's go to the real shopping. Surprise! Look where we have landed, guys. All this shopping we have done in Ikea, Mumbai. So now, I will tell you everything and every single detail about all these things we got. So guys, this is a very useful clock just for rupees 259. It has 4 functions: time, temperature, timer, and alarm clock. These are sale clips for rupees 69, and this is also a sale clip for rupees 149. Guys, you can use these sale clips to airtight any food bag or open packet of chips like this. So guys, this is another seal clip. Its name is seal and pour clip. You can use it like this. So guys, these are knife sharpeners for rupees 399. This for rupees 299. These are scented candles for 199 each pack. So guys, this is an can opener for rupees 399. And this is an USB lamp for rupees 249. Let me show you how it works. So guys, this is the USB lamp. I am currently using it with my power bank, but you can use it with your laptop or any other device. This is a steamer for rupees 299. Next we have is a red container. You can put it on any rod and keep anything in it like pens or spoons. These are S-clips for rupees 39 for 5. This is the way which you can use the S-hooks and the container in your kitchen. These are corner bumpers for rupees 149. You can use them to protect yourselves from the corners like this. These are plastic storage bags for rupees 179. Look guys how big it is. It also has a zipper. This is a colorful doormat for rupees 199. This is a metal stand for rupees 399. You can put anything on it. We are putting our indoor plants on it. These are 3 colorful storage boxes for rupees 599. This rug is for 1200. It has rubber below, that's why it is non-slippery, and I can perfectly sleep on it. This is a waste bin for rupees 69, but we are using it as a plant pot. These are 8 colorful kids hangers just for rupees 99. This is a laptop support for rupees 499. It is very comfortable to use it on your lap. Guys, this is a very big container. It comes with its lid separately. The price of the lid is rupees 59 and the price of the container is rupees 240. And it also has wheels. Guys, look how many toys I've kept in here. This is for rupees 99. You can hang it anywhere, like in your bathroom, and you can put anything in it, like clothes. Guys, this blackboard is for rupees 199. You can even cut it into smaller pieces if you want. So guys, in this box is a kitchen trolley, and in this box is a folding multi-purpose coffee table. You can also use it as a dining table. We are going to be unboxing both these items in the upcoming videos. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss it. Guys, these small decorative mirrors are for rupees 349 for 4 pieces. And this big round mirror is for rupees 799. We are going to show you guys how we decorated our house with these mirrors in the upcoming videos. So please don't miss them. Guys, this is a shelf for just rupees 799. You can keep it above your TV unit or anywhere you like. You can mount it on any walls and keep decorative items on it. And guys, if you want to know more about these Ikea products, then please don't forget to check out my other video. The link is given in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, smash that like button and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Bye! Catch your smile!